legal fight as much as it is a political one, and Mamta Banerjee, in fact, leaving the court premises. We're getting a few visuals, in fact, of that. But at this point, viewers, the latest that we know from inside the Supreme Court is that hearings have already concluded. The matter will be taken up next, and Mamta Banerjee presented her arguments inside the court room number 1, which is the bench led by the Chief Justice of India, Justice Suryakant, and she put up her arguments about the SIR process. She made a lot of political points as well, alleging that the Election Commission is now using the process of SIR to target our government. She's pointed out that why not Assam? Why just West Bengal is being targeted? But as we mentioned before, this comes right ahead of the assembly elections. Mamta Banerjee, so a lot of this, what we're witnessing today, is also about optics, is also about theatrics, and setting up a political message that Mamta Banerjee would back to her vote base. I also have Sarthak with me on this. Sarthak, in fact, is joining us now as he covers our legal segment. Sarthak, do tell us, Mamta Banerjee raised a lot of points about Aadhaar card, about micro-observers, and she was countered on a lot of these points as she presented photographs as well before the top bench. Help us understand how exactly the proceedings went today.
Well, I believe the whole idea behind presenting all these documents was to verify the citizenship of all the people that she alleges that their names are being removed from the election roll. And the entire contention and the entire idea behind her submission was that genuine voters will be excluded after this. And this is specifically being done in West Bengal, whereas this kind of practice is not being carried out in any other state, and there is discrepancy in the way SIR is done in West Bengal as opposed to other states. What do you?
Right, of course, and the proceedings have concluded. The CJI mentioned the matter next will be taken up on Monday. So what are we expecting on Monday, and how the proceedings could go on that day?
Well, on Monday, the court has not admitted the matter, so the arguments will take place on the admission of the case, where the court will take cognizance of the matter and then decide whether there is merit and there is substance in the case, and whether it is admissible in the court of law or not, whether the evidences that are being provided by Mamta Banerjee hold any sort of matter to it, and whether her documents that she is presenting before the Honorable Supreme Court stand any value. And on these grounds, the court will decide whether this case is admissible, and the trial will take place eventually.
All right, viewers, so that is the latest that we know of the proceedings that went inside the top court today. Mamta Banerjee raking up the issue of political bias in the SIR exercise being carried out in the state of West Bengal when she stood up to present her own case before the top bench comprising of her Chief Justice of India. That's the latest we're getting, viewers, at this point. Now, we also understand Mamta Banerjee could in fact address media. Let's also try and get you some visuals from there, in fact. Now, viewers, present inside the Supreme Court, this is where the hearings have concluded. Mamta Banerjee personally addressing media as well. We'll try and get you some visuals. All right.
पीछे करो कैमरा नीचे भाई नीचे हो जा यार नीचे करो माइक दिखाओ माइक दिख रहा है बोलिए सर माइक नहीं दिख रहा बोलिए सर रिकॉर्ड रोल कैमरा आईने से दिख रहा है दिखाओ माइक
মমতা ব্যানার্জি যে পিটিশন ফাইল করেছিল, রিট পিটিশন, সেই মামলার হিয়ারিং হয়েছে এবং সেই মামলার সঙ্গে আরো অন্যান্য যে মামলাগুলো রয়েছে, দোলার মামলা, ডেরেকের মামলা এবং জয় গোস্বামীর মামলা, এই তিনটে মামলাই হিয়ারিং হয়েছে। তো হিয়ারিং হওয়ার পর মমতা ব্যানার্জি তার আর্গুমেন্ট করেছেন, কোর্ট পারমিশন দিয়েছে এবং কোর্ট বলেছে যে তুমি যতক্ষণ বলবে আমরা শুনবো, 15 মিনিট দরকার হলে শুনবো। এবং মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় তার পয়েন্টগুলো যা যা আছে।
All right, we're getting a few reactions from, in fact, TMC MPs, but this is what the latest that we know. Hearings have already concluded in the case. The matter will be taken up on Monday next, and Mamta Banerjee presenting her case today, unprecedented for a sitting chief minister to present her own case, make direct submissions before a top bench, wherein she argued that the SIR being carried out in the state of West Bengal is a political tool being used by the Election Commission. In fact, she called Election Commission WhatsApp Commission, and she repeated all those arguments that she has been making since her standoff with the Election Commission started. She has alleged political bias. She claims that it's only West Bengal that's being targeted.
তার কার মিস্টেক? এটা তো ইলেকশন কমিশনের মিস্টেক। তার জন্য লোককে কেন হ্যারাস করা হবে? এরকম যেমন বিপুল জজ সাহেবরাই বলেছে যে বিপুল।
Today, a hearing was held in the Supreme Court on a writ petition that was filed by the Bengal Chief Minister against the undemocratic practice of the Election Commission.
তাদের কি করে মিসম্যাচ হয়? মহিলাদের বিয়ে হয়ে গেলে তো সারনেম চেঞ্জ হবেই। তারপরে আছে
Questions were being raised on how names were cut off from the voter list just because a woman got married and shifted her residence to her husband's family.
এবং
हम लोग झूठ में नहीं लेंगे, मिल जाएगा तो लेंगे।
भाई मैंने तो सेंटर फ्रेम बना दिया था सब कुछ।
Yes, sir, ready. All right, we are slipping into a short break, but on the other side, war awards between Rahul Gandhi and BJP MP Ravneet Bittu in Parliament.